Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of Chase Inc. Business Unlimited credit card, and we're going to take a look at some of the upsides, some of the downsides, and we're going to see if this card is really worth it. One of the first thing that they offer is $750 cashback if you spend $7,500 or more in the first 3 months. The next thing that they offer is unlimited 1.5% cashback on every single purchase that you make. There's also no annual fees. Then they offer 0% intro APR for the first 12 months. Then it's 13.24 to 19.24% of the variable APR. You can redeem your rewards with cashback, gift cards, or travel. They also have some security benefits such as fraud protection and purchase protection, which is always great. My personal review of this credit card is I think it's really great. It's not confusing, it's super simple, and I definitely recommend it to somebody that's first starting off. With that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.